You always blame me.
Because you're
Stop it, all of you liar! You caused this!
I cannot take this anymore!
Enough! Get out!
This is your fault! No, you started it! Stop blaming each other!
Ladies, please, calm down. How could you do this?
I'm so sorry.
This is unforgivable.
Please stop.
We can't ignore
When a
this any
family
longer.
is not united,
Dad, what's going on?
several negative
You all look
outcomes
so
can happen.
disappointed.
Constant conflict, frequent arguments and tension in the home, lack of support, members feel alone and emotionally neglected, poor communication, misunderstandings grow and problems remain unsolved, emotional stress leads to anxiety, sadness or frustration, negative influence on children, they may develop insecurity or bad behavior. Breakdown of relationships, family bonds weaken and completely fall apart. In short, disunity weakens the strength and peace a family is meant to have.
My advice: note that a divided family needs healing through God. First, return to prayer together. A family that prays together invites God's peace. The Bible teaches in the book of Amos, "Can two walk together except they agree?" Choose forgiveness. Let every member release offense, bitterness, and pride. Unforgiveness destroys homes. Walk in love and humility. Stop harsh words. Listen to one another and speak with grace. Restore family altar devotion. Read scriptures together. Worship together and seek God's direction as one. Honor one another. Parents should lead in wisdom, children should show respect, and all should pursue peace. Invite God to heal the home. Through unity, prayer, repentance, and love, broken families can be restored. Advice: don't let anger stay overnight. Settle conflicts quickly. Pray for each other daily, and let Christ be the center of the family. Where there is unity, God commands His blessing. Psalm 133. Subscribe for more faithful teachings to strengthen your family. Thank you for listening.